Welcome to the Ultimate English Phrasal Verbs quiz. Hey there, language lovers! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of English phrasal verbs? In today's video, we're putting your skills to the test with 60 engaging multiple choice questions designed just for A1 and A2 learners. Whether you are a beginner looking to boost your vocabulary or just want to challenge yourself with some fun quiz action, this is the perfect way to learn while you play. So get comfy and let's see how many you can score. Don't forget to comment your results below. Let's get started. What does wake up mean? What does sit down mean? What does pick up mean? What does put on mean? What does turn on mean? What does look for mean? What does turn off mean? What does stand up mean? What does come in mean? What does go out mean? What does put down mean? What does get up mean? What does go back mean? What does call back mean? What does take off mean when talking about clothes? What does give up mean? What does put away mean? What does get on mean when talking about a bus? What does get off mean when talking about a train? What does run out of mean? What does go away mean? What does come back mean? What does take out mean? What does pick up mean when talking about collecting someone? What does turn down mean when talking about volume? What does go away mean when someone tells you? What does go in mean? What does look after mean? What does look out mean? What does get in mean when talking about a car? What does go down mean? What does check-in mean at a hotel? What does check out mean at a hotel? What does take out mean when talking about food? What does go off mean when talking about an alarm? What does move out mean? What does turn on mean when talking about a light? What does find out mean? What does get on mean when talking about a bike? What does bring in mean? What does show up mean? What does come out mean? What does come over mean? What does go up mean? What does bring back mean? What does move in mean? What does give back mean? What does go out mean at night? What does run away mean? What does get out mean when talking about leaving a place? What does take off mean when a plane leaves the ground? What does come up with mean? What does look at mean? What does go through mean? What does stay up mean? What does break up mean in a relationship? What does give in mean? What does get together mean? What does run into mean? What does fall down mean? Thanks for quizzing with us. We hope you had a blast testing your English skills. Did you challenge yourself? How many did you get right? Comment below with your score. Did you breathe through or find a few tricky ones? We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss an update. We've got more quizzes and fun English tips coming your way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and let's see who can get the highest score. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video. Bye!